Hello guys, in this part we will add one more feature, that is the player activity background color that will be taken from the album art. As you can see, the background color is taken from the album art, and there is a gradient effect in the player activity, and also the text color will be changed with respect to the background color. For adding this feature, we have to use Palette API that is provided by Android. So let's start. First of all, go to the player activity, and in player activity go to the metadata method, and here after byte array create a bitmap of that album art, and bitmap factory dot decode byte array, and the first argument will be art, and the second will be offset, that is 0, and the last will be art dot length. Now just cut this line and paste it in if block, so that we can use art is not equal to null, and hence we can create a bitmap from this art. Now write palette, press alt enter, add this dependency. Gradle is syncing. Now Gradle syncing finished. After this write dot from and pass this bitmap, and dot generate. In generate method write new palette and press enter. On generation, palette dot swatch equals palette dot get dominant swatch. Now to check if swatch is not equal to null, now cut this. Actually this will be here. If swatch is not equal to null, then we will proceed further. Now create an instance of image view that will point to the player activity image view. Find view by id, r.id dot, go to the activity player in layout directory, activity player, and here the image view will be the gradient effect, and this copy this id, paste it here. And also we will create a relative layout m container equals to find view by id, r.id dot m container. This will be the root layout for our player activity, and gradient dot set background resource. Here we will pass our dot drywall dot gradient bg that we have created in our drywall folder, and also for our container m container dot set background resource r dot drywall dot main bg. We have also created this. Now create an instance of gradient drawable. Gradient drawable equals new gradient drawable, and in this pass gradient drawable dot orientation dot bottom bottom to top, and the other parameter will be new int, that means array of integer, and in add swatch dot get rgb comma 0x 00000080 00 after x is for opacity. Gradient dot set background gradient drawable, copies and pasted. Just change this to swatch dot get rgb. This is for our container. Now we have to change the text color of our song name and artist name using these methods. Artist dot set text color, swatch dot get body text color, and just copy this, and after in else block, that means art is equal to null, we will change this to 0x ff 6 zeros, and here 0x ff 6 zeros, and also copy this and just delete this and paste it here. Change it to color dot white, and this to color dot dark gray. Now we will run the app and see how it is looking. Click on any one of the song. You can see the gradient effect is not properly working, so go to the activity player, and in this image view just cut this, delete this, and after this run the app, and you can see now the everything is good. You can see the gradient is looking now good. As you can see, everything is looking good. Now just close this and go to the activity player. You can see here there is no gradient effect. When there is no picture embedded with song, there will be no any gradient effect. So we have to add our cells, cut this, copy this and paste it here. Just everything is now good. Now let's run the app. For this part we have done everything. In the next part we will add animation for fading in and fading out when we change the songs, and also on completion we will add the next feature in our next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.